Hey guys, it's Truman from 4Runner Lifestyle. Today, due to high demand, we have brought into fabrication a limited Pro grill. We sell these in a 14 to 19 and 2020 plus versions as well. And so it's super nice. We're gonna get our limited 4Runners taken care of with these new Pro grills. We're super excited to have these. And today we're gonna show you what they look like and how to install them on your limited 4Runner. Okay, so we wanted to make this grill easily to install, and so it just comes with two pieces. It is going to be the upper grill piece. This piece is the mesh portion that is compatible with our Raptor lights. And then the lower grill portion is this cover that is 3Ms taped on the back. It's gonna cover over the main mid chrome grill piece. And we'll open these up and show you how they look. So these are them exposed. Obviously this portion is not going to be shown. This is for alignment and installing. The portion shown is this mesh piece right here. We want to make it super sleek. It comes in this black satin finish, as you can see, and it's super nice. It's going to be very subtle. And then this is the lower grill piece. This is going to 3M on the back. It's going to stick very well. It's an automotive grade 3M. And then it's going to have these dimples on the front to perfectly line up your letters every time. Now there's several different options that you can go check out in the link in the description below on this listing. You're going to choose what color of letters you want, and they're going to be installed very easily with these dimples. Okay, so the first step is going to be opening up the engine bay because we have to access the back to remove this piece. And so we're going to see this cover right here. We're going to have to remove this to access it. And so we're just going to do that by pressing in the middle of these tabs, super easy, and then they just pull out. There's like 10 or 15 or so that we have to pluck off all the way around, and then it's going to come out super easy. Okay, so the first step of actually removing this grill piece is going to be removing this whole upper shroud. It's only going to go to about here and then this upper brow area. It's mainly consists of just removing clips, but there's one 10mm bolt right here in the center that you have to remove, and we're going to transfer that piece over to the new grill after the fact. And so we're going to go ahead and pop off all these clips, and we're going to show you them, and then transfer it over to the new grill. Okay, so the clips consist of 6 clips, 2 up top, 1 right here and on the opposite side, and then 4 beneath just below, and we're going to remove those as well. A flathead screwdriver works just as good as a clip remover, so whatever you have works. And then lastly is this 10mm bolt right in the center. Okay, so now this upper grill piece can be removed. There are going to be about 3 or 4 clips down below that are holding this in, but by just prying them apart, they just unclip very easily. Okay, so these clips are a little confusing, but the best way to pull these apart is to support the front of the main grill and then come here and lift this tab up and then push it into its slot, and then it'll slide out. Okay, 2 clips that are a little hidden are these 2 down here. You're just gonna have to reach underneath, do the exact same thing, and then this upper piece will pop out, no problem. Okay, so we've brought this upper grill piece to the back of the car to do the swap for the new TRD Pro grill. As you can tell, it's gonna delete this whole upper chunky Toyota logo piece and just be a sleek, low profile look, just the grill mesh piece. And so the way to do this is when we flip it behind, we're just gonna see a series of Phillips head screwdrivers along the back. Don't need to remove this one down here because we're getting rid of this piece, but all the other ones along the side are going to be removed, and we're going to transfer this painted upper shroud to the new Pro grill. Okay, with all those screws removed, this is just sitting on the grill, and so we can just go ahead and pry this shroud piece up. With this removed, we can go ahead and swap it out for this new Pro grill. And then we can just reinstall all of these Phillip head screws. And then these last two center ones will just be installed the same way they were taken off. Okay, back to the front of the car, we're gonna go ahead and install this the same way that we removed it. First things first is making sure that these clips along the bottom snap into the rest of the grill. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw in the clips that we removed from the beginning, and then this 10mm bolt. And then just reinstalling this 10mm bolt. And with those back in place, we're just gonna go ahead and reinstall this cover piece. So now it's time to throw in this lower grill piece right here. It just sticks on with automotive 3M tape, which has already come with the kit. And so we're just gonna go ahead and wipe down the surface that this will be sticking to, which is this whole portion right here. We highly recommend doing this step so you have better adhesion and it'll last much, much longer. Okay, so now that that's all clean and dry, we're gonna go ahead and remove the backing of the grill tape. And then slowly, I'm gonna press the lower lip up and stick it on. Okay, so that went on super easy. It's on there snug. We're gonna go ahead and install the letters. Today we're just gonna be doing black, but there's several different color options for you to choose on the product description down below. But we're gonna go ahead and grab all of our letters and stick them on with the pre-aligned dimples. As you can see, there's gonna be these extended bits on the back that are gonna fit into these dimples to make it perfectly aligned. But we're just gonna go ahead and pull the backing off of this tape. Then we're just gonna go ahead and throw it on with those lined up. Okay, so with these letters installed, that is the install. And it's super duper easy, and it looks very clean with this satin black finish. It's gonna be really nice to install Raptor lights up here and just have a much cleaner look. We're super happy with how this turned out, and we heard what you guys said, and we listened, and we brought a limited grill to production. So we're super happy to have this in store. And so if you want one of these, just go hit the link in the description below and pick one up for your limited 4Runner. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. And if you want to see more videos like this, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification if you want to be notified every time we post a video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Drop it.